Have you ever wondered what you need to know before you start trading? Well, you're not alone. The world of trading is a fascinating place, brimming with possibilities and potential. It's like a giant, intricate puzzle, waiting for you to decipher it. This puzzle, however, doesn't come without its own set of unique challenges. It's a world where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. It's a world that requires not just knowledge, but also patience, discipline, and a keen understanding of markets and their behavior. At its core, trading is about buying and selling assets with the intention of making a profit. It could be stocks, commodities, forex, or even cryptocurrencies. Each of these markets operates on its own set of rules and dynamics. So, where does one start? With the basics, of course. Understanding these basics is the first step to becoming a successful trader. Trading is not merely buying and selling, but a strategic game of understanding market trends. When we speak of trading, we often imagine a bustling stock exchange with people shouting numbers, waving their hands, and ringing bells. But in reality, trading is a much more nuanced and strategic activity than that. It's like playing chess with the market, where every move you make is influenced by a myriad of factors. One of the fundamental principles of trading is the concept of buying low and selling high. This concept may sound simple, but it requires a keen eye for detail and the ability to anticipate market trends. It means you buy a stock or any other asset when its price is low, and then sell it when its price increases. The difference between the buying price and the selling price is your profit. But remember, timing is everything. It's not just about buying any low-priced stock. It's about buying the right stock at the right time. Understanding market trends is another crucial aspect of trading. Market trends give you an idea of how the market is moving. It helps you predict whether a stock price will go up or down, and this prediction is the heart of your trading strategy. There are various types of market trends, like bullish trends, bearish trends, and sideways trends. Each has its own characteristics and requires a different strategy. Research is key in trading. Before making any trading decision, it's essential to research the asset you're planning to trade. Look into the company's financial health, industry trends, and market sentiment. This research will give you a clearer picture of whether it's the right time to buy or sell. Lastly, strategy plays a pivotal role in trading. A well-thought-out trading strategy will guide your trading decisions and help you manage your risks. It's like a roadmap that leads you through the unpredictable journey of trading. Remember, trading is not gambling, but a strategic decision-making process. A good trader is not someone who takes wild guesses, but someone who makes calculated decisions based on research, understanding of market trends, and a solid trading strategy. While trading holds great potential, it's important to be aware of common pitfalls that beginners often encounter. Let's start with the first one, trading without a plan. Imagine heading out on a road trip without a map or GPS. You're likely to get lost, right? The same applies to trading. Without a clear and well-thought-out plan, you're essentially navigating the financial market blindfolded. You might get lucky and strike gold, but more often than not, you'll end up in a financial dead end. So before you begin trading, make sure you have a solid plan in place. The second mistake is letting emotions control your decisions. It's easy to get caught up in the heat of the moment, especially when the stakes are high. But remember, trading is not a game of chance. It's a strategic endeavor that requires calm, measured decisions. If you find yourself swayed by fear or greed, take a step back. Make decisions based on facts, not feelings. Next up, failing to diversify investments. Have you heard of the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? It rings true in the world of trading. By diversifying your portfolio, you spread the risk across various assets. This way, if one investment doesn't perform well, it won't sink your entire portfolio. Lastly, not learning from mistakes. Even seasoned traders make mistakes, but what sets them apart is their ability to learn from them. Each misstep is a chance to refine your strategy and become a better trader. So don't shy away from your mistakes. Instead, embrace them as valuable lessons. The world of trading is filled with opportunities, but it's also fraught with potential pitfalls. However, by planning ahead, keeping emotions in check, diversifying your investments, and learning from your mistakes, you can navigate this landscape with confidence. Avoiding these pitfalls can lead to a smoother and potentially more profitable trading journey. In the world of trading, the learning never stops. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's an absolute truth. Trading is not a static field, it's dynamic and ever-changing. The market trends of yesterday may not be the market trends of tomorrow. The strategies that worked for you last year might not bring you the same success this year. This is why continuous learning is not just recommended, it's essential. Think about it. The market is influenced by a multitude of factors. Economic indicators, geopolitical events, even the weather can play a role. All these variables are in constant flux, and as such, the market evolves with them. To keep up, you too must evolve. You must stay informed, stay curious, and stay flexible. Continuous learning and trading is about more than just keeping up with market trends. It's about refining your strategies, improving your decision-making skills, and expanding your knowledge base. It's about becoming a better, more confident trader. You see, when you commit to continual learning, you're not just investing in your trading skills, you're investing in yourself. You're fostering a growth mindset, which is vital not just in trading but in every aspect of life. But remember, continuous learning doesn't mean you have to do it all on your own. There are resources available to help you on this journey. Whether it's a book, a webinar, a mentor, or a trading academy like Traders Lessons, there's a wealth of knowledge out there waiting for you to tap into. So how do you incorporate continuous learning into your trading routine? Make it a habit. Dedicate a specific amount of time each day or each week to learning something new. Stay curious. Ask questions, seek answers, and most importantly, apply what you've learned. After all, knowledge is only as good as its application. So let's keep growing, evolving, and learning. Because in the world of trading, the learning never stops. Your growth as a trader is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process. Embrace the journey. The key to successful trading is continuous learning and adaptation. So, where can you start your learning journey in trading? Welcome to Traders Lessons. In a world where financial independence is increasingly sought after, Traders Lessons emerges as a beacon of knowledge, guiding those who are new to the trading landscape. We are more than just an academy. We are a community, a collective of individuals, all with the common goal of mastering the art of trading. Our academy offers a diverse range of courses, each meticulously designed to cater to the varying needs of our students. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the world of trading or you're looking to refine your existing knowledge, Traders Lessons has something for everyone. Our beginner's course, for instance, is tailored to help you grasp the fundamentals of trading. Here, you'll learn about the different types of trades, understand the importance of market trends, and get familiarized with various trading platforms. For those who are a bit further along in their journey, we offer advanced courses that delve into complex trading strategies, risk management, and technical analysis. These courses are designed to equip you with the skills necessary to navigate the dynamic world of trading successfully. One of the most significant aspects of Traders Lessons is our emphasis on real-world application. We believe that the best way to learn is by doing. Therefore, our courses incorporate practical exercises and simulations to give you a hands-on experience. Moreover, we understand that trading is not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. Every trader has a unique style and approach. That's why at Traders Lessons, we encourage individuality and foster an environment where you can find and develop your unique trading style. In addition to our comprehensive courses, Traders Lessons provides continuous support and guidance to our students. We have a team of experienced traders and educators who are always available to answer your queries and guide you on your journey. With Traders Lessons, you'll not only learn how to trade, but also understand how to avoid common pitfalls that many beginners encounter. We believe in equipping our students with the knowledge and skills to make informed trading decisions and ultimately become successful traders. With Traders Lessons, embark on your journey to become a successful trader. So, are you ready to dive into the world of trading? Let's take a moment to recap what we've journeyed through today. We started with that spark of curiosity, that desire to understand the thrilling world of trading. We then delved into the basics, from understanding market trends to the importance of a well-thought-out trading strategy. We also explored the common pitfalls beginners often stumble upon. Remember, mistakes can be costly, but they are invaluable lessons if you learn from them. That brings us to the crux of our journey, the importance of continuous learning. Trading isn't a one-time deal. It's a lifelong commitment to learning, adapting, and growing. And that's where Traders Lessons comes in. We're here to guide you, to provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to navigate this exciting yet intricate world. So why wait? Join Traders Lessons today and take your first step towards becoming a successful trader.